Good morning, guys. So we are doing our the last class of PYQs of family law. We quickly start with our the PDF, and that PDF you can be download from our the Telegram channel. You can be go in the description of this video's link, and you can download the PDF of it. First question is, read the following statement in the light of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act in 1956. We need to be recognized which is correct and which is incorrect. So we go with the existence of husband to maintain his wife is coextensive with his property. That is wrong. Section 18 subclause to provide the maintenance and separate residence to the wife in some condition. That is right. Father's obligation is a personal obligation. Father-in-law obligation is not a personal obligation. An inchaste and non-Hindu woman is not entitled to maintenance. That is also right. So the answer is B. 2 or 4 is correct and 1 and 3 are incorrect. Now next question same with that thing, which is correct and which is incorrect. We directly go with the statements. Two persons are said to related to each other by full blood when they are descendant from common ancestor by same wife. That is right. Two persons are said to be related with each other of uterine blood when they are descendant from common ancestor but different husband. That is also right. Two persons are related to each other when they are of as a half blood when they descendant from common ancestor by same wife. No, it's wrong. If there is a same wife, there is a full blood, not half blood. Two persons are related to each other by half blood when they are descendant from common ancestor but different wife. That is correct. So the first, second and 4 are correct. Answer is a B and 3 is a incorrect. Fifth question again is about the correct and correct question. Only with the consent of her husband. Let me go read with the question first. Read the following statement, select the correct one. Help of case, a married Hindu female can adopt a child. Female can adopt a child only with the consent of her husband. That is right. Husband consent is required there. In case of void marriage, consent of husband is necessary. That is wrong. In void marriage, husband has no any criteria to get consent of him. Husband is, if in a void marriage there is a no husband at all. In case of voidable marriage, consent of husband is not necessary. That is also be wrong. Voidable may required hai. Look, void marriage means void ab initio. There is a no marriage at all and no husband at all. But if there is a voidable marriage, there is a chance that can be married, that cannot be married. It decided by the one party whose consent are taken under the fraud. So in case of voidable marriage, what the court do? Court make that marriage void and declare that make that marriage void by the recognize the complete case. But in a case of void marriage, court are not make that marriage void. Court just declare that marriage is void. Clear? So void marriage always be ab initio void, but voidable marriage become void on a consent of one party. If husband has converted to Muslim religion, his consent is not necessary. That is also a right. So the first and 4 are correct, 2 and 3 are incorrect. Answer is A. Under the provision of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, an adoption of the child can be given with the consent of natural parents only. That is right. C is the answer, which with the help of the code given below mark the incorrect one. जो incorrect है, you have to be very specifically write that word. अगर यहाँ पे आपने incorrect की जगह correct statements को mark कर दिया, then your answer going to be wrong. So which are the incorrect? Permission of a court is not necessary except when guardian give the child in adoption. That is right. An adoption once made is revocable by natural parents only. That is wrong. Revocation cannot be done. So the 1 is 2 is wrong. If the adoption you done adoption, or you are giving adoption of your child, you cannot be revoke it. Mother may give the child adoption with the consent of father. That is right. Performance of Datta Oman ceremony is essential for validity. That is wrong. Any kind of ceremony and consideration, two things, ceremony and consideration both are not required in adoption case. So the answer is 2 and 4. That one, B, 4 and 2. Under the Shia school of chronological person entitled to the hijanat of the child. Oh, hijanat means the custody, who can get the custody. So first always be a mother and then is a father. So the answer is 2, 1. Then grandfather, okay, 3 and then 4 grandmother. Be clear with that. After the father, grandfather is come next one after the father, not the grandmother. So the answer is 2 1 3 4, not 2 1 4 3. After father we first go with the grandfather. Parental ceremonies which we need to be majorly recovered. Obviously we have belong directly and indirectly from the patriarchal society. We cannot be denied that fact. Next is about the match the following questions. First case is about Nizwan versus Nizwan. That is always be a case of cruelty. Daniel Latifi was a case of maintenance. Hassan Ara Jube Begum is about the dowry case, and Gujarat women workers is about the uniform civil code. So the answer is 3412. 3412, that is A. Again the match the following case come before you guys. First is about the Saroj Rani Sudarshan Kumar case, is about the constitutionality of section 9 of RCR. Jordan Dignes versus SS Chopra case is about the uniform civil code. So the uniform civil code case we have get the two Gujarat women workers and the Jordan Dignes case. Russell versus Russell case about the cruelty, mostly the same title case like Russell versus Russell. One is about the Dastane versus Dastane. That is case about the cruelty of most of the time. It's not a general, but you can be used at it. If you didn't get anything, then you can mark it. Shastri versus Mudlas is about the meaning of Hindu. So the answer is 3142. 3142 is a C. Next about the Muslim Personal Law Shariat Application Act 1937 is applicable to all kind of property except किन प्रॉपर्टियों पे मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ नहीं लगेगा. फर्स्ट इज एग्रीकल्चर लैंड and charities other than waqf only. If the property are donated to the waqf, then the Muslim personal law will be applied. But if you donate your property apart from the waqf, then the Muslim personal law will not apply. So the agriculture land and the charities property which other than the waqf. That question is not from the, I think not from the family law, just come from, I think either be a sales of good and any other law of contract, but we are doing here. First is about the mistake. Whenever in a contract, if you make any mistake regarding the subject matter, so what kind of relate to the which case is that? Mistake as to the non-existence of subject matter. That is about the Bell versus Lever Bros and Limited. Mistake, if you are make mistakes in respect of a non-existence of subject matter. If you mistake as a title or right, then the answer is the Gustavus Courtier versus Robert Haste. Different subject matter in the mind. Then the case is of a Sheikh Brothers versus Osner, and mistake as to the substance, nature, quality and subject, Raphael versus Wischels. So the answer is 1342. 1342. That is the B. This question is related to the, I think, Soga. You can be mark and revise that question. Quite be difficult. You just have to be memorize all these cases in respect of a case structure. Last is about in which of the following case Supreme Court not address the Uniform Civil Code. Has been not addressed, not even discussed. Even the Sarla Mudgal case, the court are discussed something about the Uniform Civil Code. John Valamanthun case also be court discuss about the Uniform Civil Code. SS Chopra recently we discuss a court is about the discuss Uniform Civil Code. Apart from all these three cases, one is about the Gujarat worker women's in woman worker case, court is also discuss about the Uniform Civil Code. So you get the 4 cases where the court discuss about the Uniform Civil Code and the Ramesh Chandra versus Savitri. In this case, court are not discuss about the Uniform Civil Code. आप whenever you guys एक चीज़ बड़े ध्यान में रखना कि एक क्वेश्चन के 4 ऑप्शन है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमने एक क्वेश्चन का एक ही आंसर रिवाइज करना. हमें ये भी देखना है कि बाकी के जो 3 नहीं है वो किस लिए इसका आंसर नहीं है. सो बाय यू आंसरिंग द 1 क्वेश्चन यू गेट द आंसर्स ऑफ 4 क्वेश्चन. सो PYQs करने का मतलब ये नहीं कि खाली उस क्वेश्चन के आंसर तक ही आप लिमिटेड रहें. तभी आप अगर आप उसके एक क्वेश्चन के 4 ऑप्शंस को करेक्टली समझेंगे तो एक क्वेश्चन से आप 4 आंसर्स याद करेंगे, 4 क्वेश्चंस को करेक्ट करेंगे, तब कम PYQs में आप ज़्यादा डाटा कलेक्ट कर पाएंगे. ठीक है, चलो कीप रिवाइज, कीप वॉच क्लासेस, कीप प्रैक्टिस एंड क्रैक द एग्जाम. थैंक यू.